Hello kids, do you know what we're celebrating today? It's Nag Panchami, and I'm sure teacher must have already told you about the importance of snakes in our life, right? So for Nag Panchami celebration today, we are going to make a paper snake. Alright, so let's see what all we are going to need. We are going to need papers, scissors, sketch pen, Fevicol. Now what I have done here is I have cut small strips of paper like this, okay, and I have just added some dots onto it for the snake's texture. You can also create different textures along with it. Then we have to do a tongue for the snake, and I have done a head, okay. So let's begin. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take two strips of these papers and we have to make a round like this. Can you see? I'm just going to fold it like this. Okay. So I have a paper ring like this. Can you see? So I'm going to stick Fevicol here. I'm going to apply Fevicol. Okay. And I'm going to stick it. Alright, can you see? Yes. So I have made a paper circle like this. Okay. Now the next part is I'm going to take another strip. I'm going to put it through the first one and again I'm going to stick it. Make another paper round. Alright. So here goes and I'm going to stick it here. Okay, can you see how I made two rings here? Yes, so we are going to do the same for all of these rings. We are going to interlock these rings. Okay, now the third one I'm going to put it here. Fevicol again. And I'm going to stick it like this. Okay, got it? So we are going to make it for all of these strips. So as you can see, I have done the paper weaving. I have just attached all the pieces together. This forms the body of the snake. Now let's attach the tail. For the tail, what I have done is I have just taken a small tapering end for the tail here and I'm going to attach that. Okay, let's see how to do that. So I'm going to take the tail and I'm going to put it through this link like this. Okay. Here. And I'm going to stick it. Okay. So you can see that our tail is ready. Okay. Now we have to attach the face. For the face, I have a tongue here which I'm going to attach to the, see this is a double flap that I've made here. Okay, a flap like this. And I'm going to attach the tail onto this flap. That is my face. Okay, so let's stick it on to the face. Alright. Now the tongue goes here inside like this. Alright. Got it? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one more piece of paper. Okay. I'm going to do the markings and I'm going to show you how to fix the face. Okay. Now it's time to attach the face. So I have one extra strip here and I have the face. I've just done some markings here which I had forgotten earlier. So I'm going to put it through this link. Okay. And before I paste this, I'm going to put my face. Okay, because we want it to be like this. Okay, so put the face inside and then you're going to stick this. Apply Fevicol here and stick this particular link. Okay, so my head goes like this. Okay, can you see? Now we also have to stick the head part. So I'm going to add some Fevicol here. Okay. And I'm going to stick this onto the bottom portion. Alright. So here goes my snake. We have a snake ready. Can you see? So the snake can slide. The snake slides, right? It slithers on the ground. It doesn't walk because it has no feet. So it's going to slither on the ground. Okay. So all of you, are you ready to make your snakes? Alright then. Let's begin. Complete your snakes. Okay, you can use different colors for the snakes. You may use black, you may use red. There are so many different types of snakes. Yes, so many different colors are available, which you can see in nature. So you can use any color that you like. Thank you for watching.